Please remember to like and click the subscribe button.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how scooters help our feet. Let's go!
Scooters reduce the need for prolonged walking. They provide a convenient and efficient mode of transportation. Scooters can relieve foot strain and fatigue. They allow individuals to rest their feet while moving. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Scooters may help people with foot conditions or injuries avoid further stress on their feet. They can be a fun and engaging way to stay active without causing excessive strain on the feet. Burn more calories? Riding a scooter burn up to 30% more calories than cycling. When protecting your joints and eliminating saddle pain. Visit us today and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new updates like this.
Contact us today, email address info@excellencare1sd.co.uk, telephone number 07404 238 459, or visit our website www.excellencare1sd.co.uk.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you the next video.